Hey guys, back with another video, and I went to Arby's and I got their new Angus cheesesteak, and doesn't look too appetizing, to be honest. Yes. But if we open it, show off the insides. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit soggy. Anyway, let's just see how it tastes. It's giving off more of like a cheese sauce type of vibe than it is like actual cheese that's on here. So, yeah, because it doesn't look or taste like there's actual cheese on here. It's more of like a sauce. It tastes like it. But but overall, the sandwich isn't bad. It's got good taste and everything. It's the only thing is it's just a little. It's gotten a little bit soft, a little bit soggy or whatever. Yeah, but yeah, I would recommend this. Yeah, just to try it out. It's it probably won't be as. Hopefully, it won't be quite as soggy. Your location will probably do it a little better, a little bit better. You know, and it wasn't wrapped up very long, so. Oh, and it is Friday, and I know I've kind of slacked a little bit on the food truck stuff, but hopefully we'll be back on track next Friday with all that and get another food truck video out there. Cause yeah, I do have a couple of food trucks I do want to check out. So. Very refreshing. Um, yeah, if you guys have already tried this at Arbys, let me know what you thought, if you liked it or not. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Um, just I guess comment, like, and subscribe if you want. Oh, and I saw earlier that we hit 50 subscribers. So thank you guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.